how you doing? This is Bree. I wanted to quickly go through your website, show you a couple things I found, and a couple things we can do to get your website ranking better and get some more calls coming in. So the first thing I noticed when I came to your website is I clicked on the menu here, and I tried to click on services. However, it just brings up your homepage again up at the top. So if there are other pages, it doesn't look like they, or at least that one, the services one, isn't linked. So I wasn't able to actually see the service page. Anyway, I just wanted to bring that up quick. This is a nice picture in the background. The paint looks really nice. It does have your name right away, so I know that I am on the right website when I come to it. I do like this where you talk about where you service right away. Got a little bit of text about what you do, and then you have your services listed right away, which is great. You definitely want to have those listed at the top. Some testimonials, which is also awesome, and some commercial testimonials as well, which is great. These are really nice to have. Talk about interior and exterior painting, some nice photos, a little bit about your green technology. I actually really liked reading through this. This is a big pull, and it made me want to use your company. So I think this is something awesome that we should definitely elaborate on. Also, these are beautiful photos. Consulting, house cleaning, again, this is nice to hear that it's eco-friendly, it doesn't use chemicals, etc. That's really becoming big, so I think you can really blow this business up here. Then I get to the bottom. Now, the one big thing I'm noticing here is that there's not a whole lot of content on your website, and that's an issue for two reasons. So the first reason is Google. They like to see a minimum of about 1,500 words on your homepage. They have crawlers, and the crawlers come through and they're actually reading the content. They're trying to figure out what areas you serve and what services you offer. The more content you have on your site, the more you actually look like an expert in their eyes. In addition to that, you're going to want to beat out the content that your competitors have. So if they have 1,000 words, you're going to want to have 1,500 words, etc. So the more words you can get on here, relevant words that you can get on here, at least up to 1,500 words, the better off you're going to be. In addition to that, you want keywords within this content. And a keyword is something that someone would be searching for. So for example, let's say someone was searching for interior painting Scottsdale, Arizona, and you had that on the website, that exact keyword multiple times. You're going to be really relevant for that search, and Google is going to be much more willing to put you at the top of the search results. And as I scrolled through, I didn't see any keywords without your website. If we take a look at a Google search for, let's say, interior painting Scottsdale, Arizona, we can see that these two guys are running Google ads. We have Yelp as one of the first people that shows up. We can see Marcel is also running an ad here. And this is called the Map Pack. So the top three listed here are the ones that receive a lot of the work because they're super easy to find and they're listed right away. I do see you guys here in second, which is awesome. Great job getting yourselves into second. The way you can get yourself up into first is to fully optimize your profile. So make sure you have your description filled out, as many characters as you can, photos, hours, holidays, reviews, what you've got, good job, etc. Fill this profile out as much as possible, and then put your exact business information into directories like Yelp, Yellow Pages, etc. That'll really help to boost it up. The websites listed below here, these are called the organics, and the same things apply. You want to be on the front page and ideally within these top three positions so that people are going to find you. I did not see you on the front page here on this first page down here. So we're definitely going to want to work on getting you into the front page and then into the top three positions. I want to take a look at the first local company here, Arizona Painting Company. So we can see it's not actually their home page, it's just one of their service pages, which is good. And they've got a decent amount of text on here, some testimonials, lots of testimonials. All right, so you might have more content than they actually have already, but if you had 1,500 words on there, you would for sure be beating them out. Let's take a look at why they were ranking. This is a paid program I use to research websites called Arrows. I went ahead and put them into here so we can see what we're up against. The second thing I want to go over is UR and DR ratings. These ratings are really important to the Google search results and where you fall within them. A UR rating is essentially a trust rating with Google, and a DR rating is essentially a power rating with Google. These numbers are generally changed by backlinks, and all a backlink really is just a shout out from another website. So let's say a blog website wrote an article and they were talking about Arizona painting companies. They said, hey guys, listen, ArizonaPaintingCompany.com is the best painting company on the face of the earth. Go check them out. Here's a link to their website. And people could click that link back to the website. That's a backlink. All it is a shout out from another website. Lastly, and most importantly, I wanted to talk about the organic keywords. These are the keywords within the content that I was talking about before. For example, interior painting, Scottsdale, Arizona. There's approximately 50 people who Google this search term per month. Scottsdale painters. There's approximately 80 people who Google this per month. Painting, Scottsdale, approximately 30. Painters, Scottsdale, approximately 80. Painters, Scottsdale, Arizona, 90. Scottsdale house painting, 40. Exterior painting, Scottsdale, 50. I mean, like, we keep going through these keywords. There's definitely some really good search volume for just residential in Scottsdale, let alone commercial and cleaning. And then you also have another location in California. So we could definitely get a ton of eyeballs on your website, which is awesome. The more eyeballs on your website, the more calls that'll come through, and eventually the more landed clients. If we took a look at your website's ratings, we can see your UR is a 10, which isn't too bad. Your DR is a 0, which is not good. You definitely don't have enough backlinks and referring domains. You're really going to want to bump those numbers up with high quality backlinks. If we take a look at your organic words, we can see that you're not really targeting any of those important words. And we know that because we didn't see any keywords within your content. So if you were to follow the steps in this video, 1, by adding at least 1,500 words to this homepage and some more pages to the website and getting the keywords in there. 2, to raise your UR and DR rankings. And 3, to get some more high quality backlinks, you can really improve your Google rankings. I hope this was helpful for you, and I look forward to hearing your feedback. Have a great night.